click on the start button and type paint. You can see the paint here. So click on the paint. In the tutorial note, you can see the simple face feature on the page 2. So actually that's very simple, using the pencil or pen to draw the round and circle, 2 circles and nose. And you can see that the lips has different color in red. Click on red and draw mouth like that. How simple is that? But I might just go further than this. So let's open the new file. What you can do, you can create the image file like the face before, but you can also manipulate images in Paint. For example, if you search simple Tasmanian map, yeah. Okay, you choose any map that you liked. Then, okay, you can simply right-click and save the image as map. And you can see that the extension file name is PNG already. But you also can use snipping tool. This tool is included in Windows as well. So when you click the snipping tool, it's like kind of capturing screen tool. So when your new button is on, then you can click on the starting point and dragging down to the end where you wish it to finish, then release simply. Then save as capture pass map maybe 2, something like that. So you just save the image file on the desktop like that. See, if you download the image, it has a background because it's different backgrounds like that. That means the okay. So Paint image. So simply you can drag one of the images you like into the Paint. You can make the size of your image file bigger and smaller. You can select this image and you can make another image same as this and Ctrl+C and click on somewhere else, Ctrl+V and Ctrl+V. So you can create as many images you like with the same symbol. You can also change the color of the background as this. For example, this is a color picker. So just to click on somewhere on the image, that you can see that that function captures actually picked a color exactly same as the image. And if you use a bucket and fill with the color, so this is already changed the color. You know, this changed color as the green, and your background. Oh, I don't really like this color as green. I want to change it. You can choose different colors you like. You can see that the color panels here. I'll probably go for purple. I don't know. I just feel like it. Okay, too much. Okay, it's gray. Then you can change the color here. Simply, you can type Lons system, because the color of the text is also in purple. That is why you can't see it. So before you release or click somewhere else on the image, you just select the text and change the color to black. or something different. And then before you click on the somewhere else, because you're still typing something in the text box, you can simply move the text to anywhere you like that. Launceston. Oh, you want to point to Launceston using pencil. Launceston is here, like that. And if you want to type something, maybe Hobart, or maybe you want to change the Hobart text different color, you can change to red. And then as you make sure, as I said before, make sure that you move the text, make sure that you locate the text somewhere you like before you're clicking somewhere else. And then you can also change the color of the pen. It's already red and Hobart is down there somewhere here. How simple is that? Okay, now you realize this image not necessary to be used. Then simply select this image or delete. Or you can simply minimize your screen. So this is your final view of your image. And you can save as, make sure save as, not save. If you save, then you just override the task map, the image that you had before. This is what your maybe second version, but you have changed. Okay, here we go. This is any transparency will be lost. Yeah, this is talking about the quality of the image or just any different kind of pixel that you had and then now. But it's usually if you're happy with what it is and it looks like, then you simply click OK. So I just show you how to create the image with a paint and how to manipulate the image with a paint as well. The second one is GIMP. So GIMP is, before I move to GIMP, I show you how to search good YouTube videos about paint. If you're using Windows 7, Windows 8, and different version, doesn't matter. Paint, type the version of Windows here, Windows 7, Windows 8, and tutorial. There are so many people who love sharing, who love creating videos. So there are awesome videos on YouTube. You can spend 10 or 20 minutes to watch. Just make sure that you will get good video. You just put the button of your operating system. For Mac user, is the paint brush, not paint. So if we paint brush for Mac tutorial, okay, so you can search like that. And paintbrush is the program you can simply download from the website, the Mac, or just you can Google it. You can download for free. GIMP is also free. If you don't have the program GIMP, you can simply click on the link that we provide you, www.gimp.org, the organization, and you can click on the download button and click the download the GIMP 2.8 and 14, the version for Windows. Okay, for Mac users, yes, they do provide the GIMP for Mac, but if you look at search the GIMP on Google, you might not get the same screen like this. You will get screen like that. So don't worry, GIMP for Mac, because the Google's very clever. That Google give you exactly what you need, and so if you search GIMP on your Mac, then you will get the screen like this, not like that. So this one GIMP for Windows, the other one is a GIMP for Mac users. Yeah, because I use a Mac, and then this is the screen that I've got. So you click on this link simply and then install this program. This is also free. Let's have a look GIMP. So same as before, click on the start button and type GIMP. Once you install the GIMP, I installed 2.8 version. The difference between GIMP and Paint, I show you. Paint is you using one paper. So if you draw the face, the round face, you're using one paper. So you draw everything on paper. If you want to change something, what you have to do with Paint, you have to like take it out. So you have to take the part of the paper out or change something. GIMP is different. You're working with several layers, several papers. So there is a background and simply there is another layer. So you can create as many as layers you like. You have a tree, you have a person, then if you click on the layer, then draw a tree, and then click another layer and draw a person, you will get person and tree. So what I mean is, when you image like that, but you don't like the person, you want maybe dog instead of person, then what you need to do, you need to select the layer that you have a person on. Then you delete the person, this layer, and it has nothing to do with the layer with this the tree. So when you want to change something, you need to select the right layer to change something that you wish to change. So it might be difficult for you to understand with probably paper, but just basically I want you to understand Paint is working with one paper, but GIMP is working with many layers you like. You can actually have one layer, but what the GIMP is for is you can create the different layers and then make awesome images.